Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on shoes with DSW, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the DSW website or the nearest store. Browse the wide selection of shoes available for men, women, and children. Look for the latest promotions or sale sections highlighted on the homepage. Sign up for the DSW Rewards program to earn points with every purchase. Check for any available coupons or promo codes before making a purchase. Use filters to narrow down shoe styles by brand, size, or price. Consider shopping during seasonal sales for deeper discount. Be sure to visit the clearance section for marked down items that are still stylish. Compare prices on similar styles to ensure you're getting the best deal. Utilize store locator features to find the nearest DSW for in-person shopping. Bring in any old shoes for the shoe donation program to earn discounts on your next purchase. Don't hesitate to ask sales associates about current in-store promotions. Always check the return policy to ensure you can return or exchange if needed. Keep an eye out for email newsletters, which often include exclusive discounts. Follow DSW on social media for updates on flash sales and special events. Consider shopping online for the convenience of home delivery. Look for limited time offers or special events that may feature additional savings. Combining these strategies can significantly save you money on your next shoe purchase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.